Hi friends, welcome to Vidya's cooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to be showing you how to prepare this pan fried mutton. It's very simple to prepare. All I've done is I've heated a pressure cooker on medium flame. I've added oil, and once the oil has reached temperature, I've added cloves, cardamom, cinnamon, and 1 star anise. We'll allow it to splutter. Once the spices fry a little, then we'll add the meat. That is, I've cleaned and reserved 750 grams of mutton. I've added the mutton. Now I'll be adding ginger and garlic paste. I'll be adding turmeric powder, chili powder, coriander powder, homemade chili powder. That is, we make this Korambu Melagai Thul. You can get that in a packet also. Korambu Melagai Thul is very easily available in Achi brand and Shakti Masala. So you can use Korambu Melagai Thul 1 teaspoon. And I've added coarse salt. We'll fry all of this for 2 minutes. Keep tossing this and fry it. And we'll add liquid. Now I'll be adding some garam masala to this. You can use any garam masala, homemade or packaged. Add 2 cups of water. We'll stir this meat, cover it, and we'll pressure cook this for 5 whistles because I've not marinated the meat. It takes 5 to 7 whistles for the meat to cook well. So once the meat has cooked well, I'll separate the meat which I require for fry, and the rest I'll be preparing a curry. So this broth and the other half of the meat, I'll prepare a gravy. So here in this pan, I've reserved the meat. I've added ginger and garlic paste for the fry. Now I'll be adding some peri peri masala. This enhances the flavor and taste. Add that. Then I'll be adding some chili powder, some coriander powder, turmeric powder, and I've also added that Korambu Melagai Thul. Once I mix all of this, I've added salt as per taste. Then I also added some ghee, 2 teaspoons of ghee and curry leaves. Place this on very low to medium flame. I've added 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil. That's about it. And on very low to medium flame, you need to keep turning it every 2 minutes and fry it. Once this is fried nice and crispy, it pairs very well with rasam rice. Do try this, friends. You can add little bit of lemon juice on top and serve it. It's very nice and tasty. Try this and post your comments. I will list down all the ingredients used for this recipe in the description box below this video. My husband likes this fry with rasam rice. Try this mutton fry recipe, friends. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching.